have the two installation method. We can use the stick. Friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alvin. Today, I will introduce a special garden light to you, a solar garden sunset spotlight. They have two items. One is single head garden spotlight and the other one is dual head garden spotlight. They have three color temperature available. Like this one is cool white, and we can also make warm white like this one. This one is warm white, and also RGB like this one. You can press the bottom here to change the color you like this. Yes. Well, where to use this garden spotlight? In fact, they're suitable for garden lighting and also statue lighting. They have the two installation methods. We can use the stick to install the light to the ground like this. Very easy, and you see the light heads are rotatable. Also, the solar panel is rotatable, so you can light the direction you want. We can also use to install the light to the wall. It is very easy and convenient. About battery, we use a LFP battery for both items. For this one, single head model, the battery capacity is 2,200 mAh, and this one, dual head model, the battery capacity is 4,400 mAh. After fully charged, they can work up to 12 hours, and they have the two-level brightness, 100 lumen and 200 lumen. Friends, we provide both OEM and ODM service, so if you have a special idea or special requirement, please feel free to contact with us. If you are interested in our video and product, please give us a like and share this video with others. Also, be remember to subscribe to our channel. Will not miss our updates. Thank you. See you next time.